Integer division rules are the same exact thing as multiplication rules. So as long as you know that same sign gives you a positive, then same sign gives you a positive and different signs give you a negative, then you know the rules for the entire chapter. And so that's what's really nice with multiplication and division is they don't change just because you're doing two different operations. Multiplication and division, they are going to use the exact same rules. So what this means is that a positive divided by a positive gives you a positive, and a negative divided by a negative gives you a positive. So no matter what, as long as you are dividing by the same type of number, then you will have a positive. Similar to that, if you have a positive divided by a negative, it gives you a negative, just like in multiplication. And a negative divided by a positive gives you a negative as well. So no matter what's happening, if the two numbers are both positive, then you will get a positive. If they are two different signs, then you will get a negative. What are some different ways that you can show division? So we actually have a few. So we obviously can use the division sign, so like 9 divided by 3. We can use a fraction, so 9 over 3 actually means 9 divided by 3. Or we could even go long division and use like that little house. So 9 goes on the inside and you're dividing it into 3 groups. All right, so example 1. So all you have to do is ask yourself same sign or different sign. If they're same sign, your answer is positive. If they're different signs, your answer is negative. So we have positive and a positive. These are same signs. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And my answer is positive because I had 2 positive integers. Or sorry, oh my goodness, wow, the struggle. These are 2 negative integers, but they're the same sign, so it gives me a positive. Whoa, I apologize. Let's try this again. So now we have 72 divided by negative 8. Up top, we have a positive. Down low, we have a negative. These are different signs. So that means my answer is going to be negative. So I have negative, and then 72 divided by 8 is 9. We have a negative and a positive. These are different signs, which means a negative answer. So that's going to be negative. 75 divided by 25 is 3. Think of it like quarters. If I had 75 cents and I'm dividing it by quarters, which is 25 cents, then I have 3 quarters. All right. Here we have a positive and a positive. So these are same signs, which means I have a positive answer. So 54 divided by 6 is just 9. And then 0 divided by a number. From our notes up here, we said 0 divided by a number is okay. That equals 0. But when we have a number divided by 0, then that gets to be a little bit of a problem. 0 is neutral. It does not have a positive or negative. So because of that, we don't have to write a positive or negative in front of it. It's just neutral. There's nothing there. So you are going to give the triads a try. So you try the ones below and then move on to the next video.